Hello and welcome back to Learn Node.js on Codecademy. We're in the What is the Backend section. This is Authorization and Authentication. Two other concepts we'll want our server-side logic to handle are Authentication and Authorization. Authentication is the process of validating the identity of a user. One technique for authentication is to use logins with usernames and passwords. These credentials need to be securely stored in the backend on a database and checked upon each visit. Web applications can also use external resources for authentication. You've likely logged into a website or application using your Facebook, Google, or GitHub credentials. That's also an authentication process. Authorization controls which users have access to which resources and actions. Certain application views, like the page to edit a social media personal profile, are only accessible to that user. Other activities, like deleting a post, are often similarly restricted. When building a robust web application backend, we need to incorporate both authentication, who is the user, are they who they claim to be, and authorization, who is allowed to do and see what, into our server-side logic to make sure we're creating secure, personalized, and dynamic content. So authorization and authentication. Authentication, we're validating the identity of a user, and in authorization, we're controlling which user is going to have access to what resource on our application. This user should only have access to their things, and this user only to their things or posts or whatever. So as long as you're getting authentication and authorization, you're getting this lesson, and I'll see you in the next one.